And a lot of you guys ask me what I do with the back of my wigs. I don't do anything because the front be laid down so well. The back, ooh, look at that lace. Ooh, come on, talk to me. Alright y'all, so this is all about Yoowigs. They have a really nice package and I'm in love with this box. And I have a headband. Y'all, look at my headband. How cute is that? Oh my god. So in love with it. Like, I am on like a headband train, y'all. And here's the wig. Nice and long. It looks really good. The hairline is amazing. I do not even have to bleach these knots. Like, you do not have to bleach your knots. And we have a lot of parting space in the front, not just 2 inches on the side. You have a lot of parting space on the side as well, the same amount that you have in the middle. And you have your adjusted straps in the back. So yeah, this is a really nice wig. I do not need to bleach my knots, so I will not bleach my knots. But what I will do is I will take some of my Taylor Crowns lace tint in the color caramel, and I will spray my lace because it's a little you know, not matching my skin tone. So we're just gonna spray that, and as you can see instantly, well, it makes the lace brown. So I'm gonna let this dry and then I'll be back to install. So here's my wig. Like I said, I did tint my lace. If you do not have lace tint, you can use your makeup or you can use tea to tint it. So all I did was cut the lace from the back of the wig. I also like to take my hot comb, just get it pressed back really straight before I apply my wigs. I got old dusty cornrows because I have on nails and I couldn't braid my hair well with the nails on. All right, now just make sure your edges are pushed back. You know, I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on, and I like to put my head into it. Pull it back. And a lot of you guys ask me what I do with the back of my wigs. I don't do anything because the front be laid down so well. The back, ooh, look at that lace. Ooh, come on, talk to me. The front be laid down so well, the back, it's not going nowhere. If anything, I can lift it up and that's it. It's not going to fly off my head because I usually glue my wigs down. So just brush it back. So that's about where my wig is going to be. What I do is just take some of my powder foundation and just dab it right on the hairline. It's going through. Okay, cool. Now let's take this off. So now I know that glue goes all behind here. So I don't have as much room over here for my glue. And if I was to put on a cap, then I would be able to put extra glue on a cap. But I'm not doing the ball cap method because I don't feel like it. Ouch, it's hot. I'm trying to show y'all. But yeah, this is what I'm doing. Just pressing it back. It's too hot. And now I'm just going to pull it back. Okay, and really quick, I'm going to take some 91% alcohol, put this back here. I'm going to go ahead and apply my glue, thin layers, about 3, letting it dry clear in between. And usually I won't have it like on my hair as much as it is, but girl, you will be okay. I'll just make sure when I do remove it, I soak it in a lot of alcohol and just let it like literally slide off on its own. I'm not going to put any force with it. Unlike you shouldn't be putting but so much force with it, but I'm just going to literally let it fall off on its own. Okay, I think 2 layers is enough because I'm doing them like somewhat thick because I got on nails and I can't really get to it. These nails are in the way. I don't know how y'all be doing y'all hair and stuff with nails, or y'all be talking about some tie can't do it, or it was ugly. Did you have on nails, girl? Could that be it? Because these nails are like so bittersweet. Look at them. They're so cute. So long. I polished them using my Madam Glam gel polish. You know, my at-home gel set. But all right, now we're gonna pull her down, and you want to make sure you have some type of red tail comb. A metal tail red tail comb is gonna be like the best. And we're just gonna pull this bad boy down. So let me scoot it on up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull her down to the tip. Right, get it like right at the tip of that glue. Pull that down. I pull my ear out, but pull my side flaps down. Try not to push any hair down in the glue, but these my sideburns, so I'm gonna push this little bit of hair down just to make sure everything holds. So I think this wig is a little on the small side, so I'm just gonna work with it. All right, got her down. Now I'm gonna get my razor, just cut off this lace. All right, so now we cut the lace off. I know it's looking a little So what I'm gonna do is add some baby hair. Just pull out really thin pieces. It gets a little thicker on the sides. Okay, so now I got pretty much my edges pulled out. Get my wax stick, put it all back here. Get my hot comb and press that back. See what difference that makes? I feel like I might need to pluck it a bit over here. It's a little dense. And I didn't do the ball cap, so I will have to put a little makeup on my part. Okay, y'all, that lawnmower is getting on my nerves. But look at my hair. Baby, I flat ironed that joint. Yo. Look at that. All right, let's take this off so we can do us some baby hairs. Baby's hairs. Oh, we got a little white going on. That's because I ain't let it dry and I ain't do it thin enough. Okay, we're gonna fix her. Damn, I just knew this one was gonna be a good one. That's how wigs are. They are hit or miss. Be pissing me off. Okay, here we go with the foundation. Fixing the white shit. Just gonna dab it. Take some whatever, water spray, alcohol, whatever you need, just to get that makeup off of the wig. Get my razor, cut these down. I'm gonna take my freeze spray just to create my edges. Okay, I like how it looks when it be like pushed back into it. So I put a little extra spray right there just to make sure it stays. Then I'm gonna spray this a little bit here because I like that little press look, like I said. Like the celebrity stylists be doing and stuff. Like that. Okay, so we got, she looking pretty good. So you see how we fixed it? Now I just gotta fix this side. Okay, y'all, so I'm all done with my edges. Really cute. So here it is, middle part. This is Yoowigs. Love it. Love the density of the wig. It's really thick. Has a nice luster to it. Looks amazing. This is their HD lace. Amazing. And I can't forget the headband that they sent me. Where is it? Okay, y'all, and here's the headband they sent me. Love this headband. Look at this. I love how the headband looks with straight hair. Pull back like this.